if this barrel is kind of stuck in a position where you are not able to take it off with your hand. So go ahead and let's open it up. What we'll use is just a screwdriver that we cut, and a flathead screwdriver that we cut in order for us to hammer it in there. One person will be holding it in the back like this. Another person will use a piece of aluminum to go ahead and use it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is show you if that first process is too difficult and it's not coming off with that aluminum block. Go ahead, and what we'll do is we'll use a ladder and a piece of aluminum. So this is rigid, and make sure that your handle is tight on there, and if you have a used handle, because you will damage that area potentially.